In this session, today we are going to learn some of the important tricks with number 9. Here we are going to use some important property of 9 for quick multiplication. Also, whenever if you are given two numbers to find their product, the first number is called the multiplicand and the next number is called the multiplier. Here, just we are going to take the multiplier with number 9. Here is the rule. The step 1 is take down the preceding number of the multiplicand. Here the multiplicand is 82 over here. Then the next one, step 2, subtract the value obtained from 99. Okay, let's see what is the value obtained from here. What is the first step? Take down the preceding number of the multiplicand. Here the multiplicand is 82. So what is the preceding number to 82? Which is simply 81. So for answer, first you can write down 81. Okay, what is the next step? Subtract the value obtained. This is the obtained value. This is to be subtract from 99. Why? Because 99 being the multiplier over here. For simple multiplication, results, simply we can write 99 over here to get the final result. 9 minus 8 is 1. This 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is the second part of the answer. So my answer is 8118. Final answer. Now moving on to the practice problems. 76 into 99. What is the preceding number to 76? Simply 75. Now the first 9, from the first 9 you reduce 7. So you will be getting 2. From the second 9 you reduce 5. That is 4. My answer is 7524. Coming to the next one, 53. What is the preceding number? 52. First 9 minus 5, 4. Second 9 minus 2, 7. Third one, preceding number to 41 is 40. So first 9 minus 4 is 5. Second 9 minus 0 is 9. And this is the answer. Next one, 72 into 99. Preceding number to 72 is 71. And 9 minus 7 is 2. Another 9 minus 1 is 8. 7128 is the final answer. Next one, 85 into 99. Preceding number to 85 is 84. First 9 minus 8 is 1. Second 9 minus 4 is 5. Final answer 8415. 613 into 999. What is this? 613, the preceding number will become 612. That is 612. First 9 minus 6 is 3. Second 9 minus 1 is 8. Third 9 minus 2 is 7. Finally, my answer is 612387. In the next one, 748 into 999. 748. 747 is the preceding number for that. First 9 minus 7 is 2. Second 9 minus 4 is 5. Third 9 minus 7 is also 2. Finally, my answer is 7,47,252. Next one, 123 into 999. Preceding number to 123 is 122. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Again 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2. Simply my answer. The next one, 4176 into 9999. Here 4 digits, here also 4 9. So 9 minus 4, first you can write 4176. The preceding number is 4175. Then first 9 minus 4 is 5. Next 9 minus 1 is 8. The third 9 minus 7 is 2. Fourth 9 minus 5 is 4. Finally, my answer is this. Then the last one, 73,524 into 99999. This can also be easily answered. Simply write down the previous number to the multiplicand, that is 73,523. So first 9 minus 7 is 2. Next 9 minus 3 is 6. Next 9 minus 5 is 4. Next 9 minus 2 is 7. Next 9, the final 9 minus 3 is 6. Finally, my answer is this. Within stipulated time, I can answer this. Here the only condition which make the trick work out is the number of digits in the multiplier and the multiplicand must be equal always, and either the multiplier or the multiplicand should have all 9s. That is, 9, 99, 999 or 4 times 9 or 5 times 9, like that 9 should be repeated in either multiplier or multiplicand.